We're Lynn and Regina Hicks, and we are building the Greenville floor plan. Everyone at Shaw has been very nice and helpful. They've always given us good answers, shown us good models. They have a lot of models that you can look at to help you make your decisions, and everyone's just been really professional and nice and helpful. Don't have a lot of experience with other builders because this is our first home that we're building, but what I like so far about Shaw is how they have everything set up 1, 2, 3, 4. You go through steps. You can watch videos showing you the steps that you're going to go through. They've got lots of the design options in the design studio. You can see lots of different types of tiles. The people in the design studio have been very helpful about trying to help us say what matches, what doesn't match, what most people do, how you can go, and it's just helped us make the decisions a lot easier. I'd say go for it. Reputable company, great people, lots of help.